Hello class, Maureen Curry here, and welcome to week 5. We're going to be beginning ancient Greece this week. Our objectives for the week will be to discover how ancient Greece was a collection of city-states, both on the mainland of Greece and throughout the Mediterranean Sea. You're going to be able to identify the Greek temple orders, particularly the Doric and Ionic. You're going to also notice how the Greek architectural elements that you'll see in the temples also carry over into residences and buildings that we see today. And also you'll be able to know the progression of stylistic characteristics for the Greek sculpture and how the human form was depicted. The study of ancient Greece is very important because it is the foundation for most of Western art, a lot of literature, politics, philosophy, and science, particularly the humanistic philosophy where man as an individual is very important to his world, his society, and how important it is to build up one's body and intellect and be able to use both and to reason for the good of society. We're going to see that the city-states were ruled by the people. It was a democratic society. The people had a religion that worshiped many gods. As far as the geographic influences, the Greek cultures were spread out all around the Mediterranean Sea, and they traded. They had sanctuaries and outposts all along the countries of Greece, Italy, North Africa, over to Turkey. They traded with all those areas. We're going to look at the architecture, which is extremely important because the architectural orders are still carried over into our design and construction methods today. As far as the architecture goes, you should be able to see the Greek temple elements in many of our government buildings. Greek art styles were progressed through very angular geometric forms, became more realistic over time, more naturalistic, and then even to the point of overt drama and emotion was shown. So be on the lookout as you observe the art this week for these different stylistic changes. You'll see them in pottery, in the sculpture from the Archaic period to the early Classical period, and to the Hellenistic period, where things are more almost overtly natural and muscular. So this week's discussion board is going to be a fun project. You're going to research the ancient Greek temples, particularly the Doric and Ionic orders, and you're going to actually design your own Greek temple. And also be on the lookout for how these architectural elements are used in buildings and residences today, and try to find an example to share with the class. So I look forward to working with you this week, and be sure that you will read through all the pages in this module, complete the temple order drawing in the initial posting for the discussion board this week due Thursday midnight, and be sure to submit the written assignment of terms due by Saturday midnight. So I hope you enjoy going over ancient Greece, and I will look forward to working with you this week. All the best. Have fun.